Good morning, my friends. How y'all doing? Hope everybody had a good night. Starting to be a really beautiful morning today. So I hope you guys have as good a day as what I'm thinking I'm going to have. Wanted to let y'all know, apparently I learned a hard lesson last night. Don't worry, nothing bad happened or anything. I went to go upload my vlog for yesterday, and not 2 seconds after the video finished uploading, I get an email saying that my video has been blocked by 244 countries. I'm sorry, but YouTube has got some wicked programmers, and my props to them for being able to do this that quick. Yesterday, just cruising down the road, and I took this out of my video yesterday. I was just driving. I wasn't trying to do anything. I wasn't trying to rip anybody off. But apparently there was a song playing on my radio, and YouTube picked that up so incredibly well that they blocked my video because of the song. I was amazed. My background includes a bachelor's in computer science with an emphasis on web design and graphic arts, and I was thoroughly impressed that they picked that up as background noise in my video yesterday. So I very quickly took down the video, deleted it, took out that clip, and then I re-uploaded my video. My props to YouTube. I mean, that was just cool. I couldn't believe how fast they were able to do that. So, lesson for yesterday: don't post a YouTube video that has a song playing in the background unless you have the copyright laws and it's free, and nobody's gonna have any issues. So I have a subscription to a couple channels that said that they offered music. Now I just got to figure out how to incorporate that music into my videos when I want to use it, so that I don't have any trouble like I did last night. But that's it for right now. I'm going inside, gonna make my breakfast and my coffee and get my day started. We'll talk to y'all later. So apparently when you live with somebody long enough, you might start to get the impression that they can read your mind and figure out what it is that you are trying to say, what you want to say, what you're thinking, before you can even say anything. Well, my wife, every so often, I'll be thinking about something. I haven't said a word. All I'm doing is thinking about something. And she'll ask me, "What did you say?" I didn't say anything. Get out of my head. And we both start laughing, and off we go. Well, this morning, getting ready to walk out of my house, all of a sudden through the baby monitor, I hear my son say, "Yeah, Dad?" I didn't say anything. Wasn't even in the same room as my kid. And so I was starting to think that my son may have inherited my wife's mild ability to read minds, because that is not the first time he's done that. And it is just funny when it happens. So I walk in the bedroom, and of course my son is in my spot, in bed, and my wife tells me that she told my son that it was okay and just go back to sleep. So he did. But it was really funny. I couldn't believe that had happened. It was just, I guess maybe you had to be there. It really was just pretty funny. So, you guys have a great morning, and we'll talk to y'all later. Afternoon, everyone. On my way, about to head out for lunch. Just walking my crazy dog real quick. Guess y'all didn't need to see that. Sorry. But I wanted to let you know. So I'm on the iOS 11 as a beta tester. I love being a beta tester. I love seeing all the new features. And I'll show y'all one in today's vlog when I publish it. But they have a new feature called screen recording, and it does exactly what you say. You hit start and it records everything that you do on your screen, including your typing. So I'll show y'all a small video of that in this here in just a little while, but for now I hope you guys are just having a great afternoon, and we'll talk to y'all later. Hey, good evening, everybody. You know, there are times I just don't understand this world. I think I've got things figured out. You know, everything's going good. You know, minor issues here and there, of course, like everybody else. But here's what I hate. Scammers. I don't care if you're scamming people out of money for tickets. I don't care if you're scamming people out of money for you know, basic stuff. The point is, you're scamming people to begin with, and you know what? I just can't stand you. Pardon my rant tonight, but part of this goes to the fact that I was almost scammed myself this evening. I got a phone call that said, "Mr. McMillan, this is so-and-so with the IRS. I'm calling to let you know that this is our final notice to get a hold of you, that if you don't pay this much amount, then we're going to issue a warrant for your arrest with your county, and we will seize all your bank assets, we will seize all your bank accounts, all your assets, and you'll just go to jail for 3 counts of tax fraud / tax evasion." Okay, first, let me say that while I might not be the best person in the world, a friend of mine once told me that the only thing you have of any real value in this world is your word. If you don't have that, you don't have it. You don't have anything. Guys, I've been paying my taxes since before I even had to pay my taxes. So don't be telling me that I've committed tax fraud and tax evasion from 2012 to 2016. Okay? No, sorry. But having said that, it did scare me. Okay? Here was my big clue, though. In all of this, and the whole thing lasted about an hour. Okay? In all of this, they're telling me that I need to tell them when I get in my car. I need to tell them when I'm headed to the bank. I need to tell them when I get to the bank, and then I need to tell them when I park my car once I get to the bank. So, thinking that there might be some legitimacy in this, I did exactly what they told me to do. Here was the kicker. When I parked my car, the first thing they tell me is, "Okay, Mr. McMillan, now that you are at the bank, you need to go in. You need to tell them that you need a loan for at least half of what you owe," which was roughly about $3,000. Okay. I tell them, okay, what do I say that when they ask for the reason why I need the loan? "Oh, Mr. McMillan, just tell them anything that is personal use and get as much as you can." Well, wait a minute. That's not the truth. The truth is that I'm being told I'm about to be arrested for tax evasion, and this is to pay the back taxes that I owe. "No, Mr. McMillan, you can't do that because we've already closed all your bank accounts and seized your car." Well, hey, that's not true because my car is parked outside. Okay, but big red flag. Don't tell them what the loan is for. I kid you not. I'm a very big believer in the man upstairs. Okay? I kid you not. I think he stepped in because he's seen what I've been going through this year. And just as this person tells me this, I look up and there's a cop driving right by my car. I kid you not, I couldn't have planned that any better. So I tell them to hold on a minute, that they need to be a little patient. I'm headed into the bank car in full reverse, backed out of the parking spot, and I flagged the cop down. Honking at the cop, flashing my lights at the cop. At one point, I was even able to flash SOS at the cop in Morse code. Yeah, I flagged this cop down. Cop gets on his radio before he even steps out of the car. I can only assume that he's telling dispatch that some crazy white guy just pulled him over, wanted to talk to, and got out of his car with both hands raised, which is what I did. Cop gets out of his car. He says, "I'm Officer Davis. How can I help you?" And I proceed to tell him part of what is going on. And I hand him my phone because this person is on the line right now, but I have them muted so they can't hear the other side of this conversation. So I unmute the phone, give the phone to the officer. Officer gets on the line. 2-3 minutes go by, and all of a sudden the cop says, "Yeah, you're trying to get money out of him because you're scammers. That's what y'all do." I didn't hear the other end of this conversation. All I know is that soon after, the cop gives me back my phone, and nobody's on the other end of the line. Cop looks at me and he says, "It's just a scam. You got nothing to worry about. IRS doesn't work that way. You have a good day." Man, I cannot tell you how good that deep breath I took was when the cop tells me that I'm alright, just go home. I hate scammers. If there was a way to track all of these fools down, I'd be first man on the team to help them do it and put their butts behind jail. All of this lasted from about 3:30 to about 4:30 this afternoon. So not too long, right? But man, one of the worst hours of my life, and I've had quite a few. So that was part of my evening. I get home. It's like, what is it, 4:45, I think, by the time all of this is over and I got back home. It's 98 degrees outside. I'm burning up. My jeans are soaked because I'm burning up. I just want to go home. If you're a scammer, your butt belongs in jail. I don't care who you are. I don't even care what it's for. You're going to treat people like me like that, you get what's coming to you. Okay, now, I told y'all that I was a big believer of the man upstairs. Scripture says that vengeance is mine, saith the Lord. You scammers, you're going to get what's coming to you, but it ain't going to be me that's giving it to you. Okay? Just throwing it out there. Best of luck to you. You're a scammer. Sorry about you. Either get out of the life or deal with what's coming. Don't do the crime if you can't do the time. We'll talk to you guys tonight before I sign off. Take care. In an effort to get my video done a little earlier than 10:30, 11 o'clock, or in case of last night, 1:30 in the morning, let me just go ahead and end the day by saying that I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Tomorrow is Friday. Hey, we made it to the end of the week. I will talk to you guys for sure tomorrow. Be looking for some of y'all's ideas tomorrow, especially vague mixes. I hope that you might could help me out. I'm trying to figure out how to add music to my video files. So, and Ocean NCS, you too. Okay, I could use some help. You guys take care. Y'all have a good night. We'll talk to y'all later.